Ethereum value equivalent to $1904 a coin. The present reach, $1,895. $1,921. The earlier day close, $1,898. The change was plus 0.32%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at $1933. Most extreme cost $2,058. Least cost $1,669. The normal for the month $1,894. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,914. Change for July 1.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. To start with cost at $1914. Greatest cost $2,108. Least cost $1,712. The normal for the month $1,916. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,930. Change for August 0.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at $1930. Most extreme cost $2,130. Least cost $1,852. The normal for the month $1,976. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,991. Change for September 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $1991. Greatest cost $2,135. Least cost $1,855. The normal for the month $1,994. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,995. Change for October 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $1995. Most extreme cost $2,191. Least cost $1,905. The normal for the month $2,035. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,048. Change for November 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $2048. Most extreme cost $2,493. Least cost $2,048. The normal for the month $2,230. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,330. Change for December 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $2330. Most extreme cost $2,522. Least cost $2,192. The normal for the month $2,350. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,357. Change for January 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $2357. Greatest cost $2,925. Least cost $2,357. The normal for the month $2,593. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,734. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $2734. Greatest cost $2,734. Least cost $2,353. The normal for the month $2,588. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,530. Change for spring 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Initially cost at $2530. Most extreme cost $2,530. Least cost $1,976. The normal for the month $2,290. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,125. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $2125. Most extreme cost $2,638. Least cost $2,125. The normal for the month $2,338. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,465. Change for May 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $2465. Most extreme cost $2,465. Least cost $1,960. The normal for the month $2,249. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,107. Change for June 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $2,107. Most extreme cost $2,107. Least cost $1,813. The normal for the month $1,994. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,949. Change for July 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. Before all else cost at $14.94. Most extreme cost $1,776. Least cost $1,494. The normal for the month $1,606. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,660. Change for August 11.1%. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale equivalent to 0.5252 Ethereums per $1,000. The present reach 0.5205, 0.5278. The earlier days nearby 0.5269. Change for now 0.0017. 0.32%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.517 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.599. Least 0.486. The normal for the month 0.531. The United States dollars to ETH estimate toward the month's end 0.522. Change for July 1.0%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 0.522 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.584. Least 0.474. The normal for the month 0.525. The United States dollars to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.518. Change for August 0.8%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 0.518 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.540. Least 0.469. The normal for the month 0.507. The United States dollars to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.502. Change for September 3.1%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for October 2023. To start with cost at 0.502 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.539. Least 0.468. The normal for the month 0.503. The United States dollars to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.501. Change for October 0.2%. United States dollars to ETH expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at 0.501 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.525. Least 0.456. The normal for the month 0.493. The United States dollars to ETH estimate toward the month's end 0.488. Change for November 2.6%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.488 Ethereums. Most